REDRIE Drone with Camera. Foldable drone for kids adults with 1080p FPV camera. Upgrade altitude hold, gesture selfie. Waypoint fly, headless mode. 3D flip, 1 key start. 3-speed mode. Circle fly to batteries. Brand REDRIE. Model name REDRIE Drone. Special feature 1080p HD adjustable angle camera. Gesture selfie, waypoint fly. 360 flips. Voice control, circle fly, rotation fly. Longer flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries. 1080p HD adjustable angle camera. Gesture selfie, waypoint fly. 360 flips. Voice control, circle fly, rotation fly. Age range description adult, kid. Color black. Video capture resolution 1080p. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Included components propeller, camera. Skill level beginner. Video capture format MP4. Great drone toys for beginners and kids. Go-to. Drone is an ideal choice for beginners to start their first drone flying adventure. 1 key start can help users to start flying easily. The upgraded hover system ensures a stable flight at a certain height, making it easier for beginners to control the drone and capture high-quality footage. Cool light design adds more fun to the flying experience. 1080p HD pictures and live videos. Equipped with an adjustable angle. 1080p HD camera. JYO drone can take better aerial photos and videos. Using the REDRIE Fly app and FPV transmission, you can watch live video and control the drone from further distances. Explore the scenery, capture moments, and share the joy with friends. Multiple interesting functions. Explore a variety of captivating features including waypoint fly, gesture selfie, 360 flips, voice control, circle fly, rotation fly, 3 speeds, headless mode, and 1-button takeoff, landing. You can take selfies by posture or perform thrilling stunt flights. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, our drone promises an enjoyable flying adventure. Fly longer and safer. Enjoy extended flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 25 minutes of fun. Features with overcurrent protection, emergency stop for propeller guards, and low-power alarm to ensure a safe and reliable flight. Trusted flying companion for your first flight, we recommend an open area. We offer 24-hour service support for all customers. If you encounter any issues with the drone, remote control, or app, contact the seller for a prompt solution. With its compact size and included storage case, this mini drone makes an excellent toy for friends and family.